Hello and welcome. You're going to learn today how to use Chat GPT and Canva to create a month's worth of content in minutes. Now, the first thing I'd like to say starting out is that you will need an account at Chat GPT and an account at Canva, but more specifically, if you are not a pro member in Canva yet, you will need to be a pro member in order to use the bulk create feature, which I will be illustrating and teaching you how to use today. So once you get that done and you have your Chat GPT account and you have your Canva account, we can get started. If you don't have that done already, feel free to pause this video, go get that done and come back. So moving right along, we're going to go over to Chat GPT. And then we're going to, what I just did was I typed in create 30 different inspirational quotes for online marketers, because that's what I'm into. I'm an online marketer, email marketer. You can do it for whatever niche pertains to you. So once ChatGPT produces those quotes, what I do is I took them and I simply copied and pasted them into a CSV file, into an Excel file. And then that Excel file, the CSV file, will be what we need to use to plug into the guts of Canva to get it to do what we want today. So now moving back over to Canva, the first thing you're going to do when you want to create content, and in this example, I'm going to be teaching you specifically how to create content for Instagram square posts. You're going to want to go to the middle here and click social media, click Instagram, and Instagram post square. And you can do this for Facebook posts or anything else. It has many, many social media channels design templates on here. So no worries. The same functionality is available for all different shapes and sizes of posts. I'm just using Instagram posts because they're very easy to use, and it is what I am working on to produce my content. So let's get stuck right in and show you the power of the bulk create feature. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come down here to the left-hand side of the Canva menu. Now that you have your design up, it says Untitled Design Instagram Post if you happen to be following along and doing Instagram posts. If not, you can use the same concept for Facebook posts and other types of content. So feel free to just adjust this to your particular needs. Excuse me. So left-hand side of the menu of Canva, we're going to scroll down, and just below Photos, second to the last one, there's a bulk create feature. You're going to click on that, and then it has where you can either enter the data manually or upload a CSV file. What you're going to do is you're going to click Upload CSV. Excuse me one moment, I got ahead of myself, as I tend to do. I am first going to put a background into this that I like because I have a particular branding scheme, colors, and patterns that I am teaching my social media followers to recognize and follow. So that's another little tip is if you have branding, colors, logos, symbols, or colors of the business, a business that you're promoting or your business that you're promoting, if you're an offline marketer, you'll want to put those in here. So bear with me while I find the template. So going to go to design. I like this template here. Really, really like it. There's a couple of things that need to be removed, so I'm going to get them out of here. To adjust that. And if you happen to like this template, that's awesome. It is one of the many templates here in Canva. You can look at it. It's right here. They have many different color schemes. So now that you have that the way you want it, we're going to refer you again back to the bulk create feature. Going to do this, and you're going to click on Upload CSV. It takes a moment, and then we're going to go down. You're going to find your CSV file. I have it right here. I'm going to click Open. And now there is one final step is you're going to have to click on an element to connect this data to, just something that the guts of Canva requires. So first thing you're going to do is go back up to text. I'm going to click on text, click on add a heading. And once you have the heading added where you want it, this is just a placeholder and you're going to connect that data to this. So right click, and then this particular table will show up with all these options, but easily enough, directly beside the cursor, there's something that looks like a stack of coins. It says saying connect data. So what you're going to do is you're going to click connect data. You're going to click on that. And you're going to adjust this where you want it. A little bit of wonky stuff on here. So what you're going to do is edit this real quick, or I'm going to because I have a touch of the OCD. So bear with me. And once you have that and it looks okay, you're going to hit continue. Let me move this down a little so you can see. There we go. Now you can see the bottom. So this is page 1 of 1, and this is untitled design for Instagram post. It's square. So due to the fact that I right click this and hit connect data, as you just saw, that data is connected, you're going to click continue. And then you'll see where the quotes or whatever data that you put in are here. And for this, I have, I've already done one already off camera. So please don't hang me out to dry. There's 29 designs of this, but the intent is to show you how to do 30 days worth of content in minutes. So, and right now it's only taken us 6 minutes and 13 seconds. So bear with me. So once you have all the quotes here, all you have to do is hit generate 29 designs. And what that will do is it'll duplicate all 29. Now, this is not a perfect world, so there's still going to be some wonkiness. There's still, if you have quotes around them, there'll still be quotes. The font may not be the right size. It may not look visually appealing. So you're going to have to go down through and edit them by hand, get them where you want, get them pretty and how you like them. But as you can see, I'm going to scroll down for example purposes. I am promoting my primary business, and one of the things I use is a faceless Instagram account. And these colors happen to work with my primary business that I'm promoting. It's a good looking graphic. It catches the eye, and it has a center place where people can read what they need to read easily. So it's eye catching. You're adding value. And there are 29, almost 30 pieces of content ready to go in under 10 minutes. Seeing as we're sitting here speaking over this video, it's 7 minutes and 30 seconds. So if you run down through these and edit them, I'm saying educated guess-wise, you would be able to do all of this within under 30 minutes to an hour tops. So you can have 30 days worth of content done and ready in minutes. All you have to do is edit it. So I gave you an example of the final editing that you'll need to do on each. So what you're going to do is click in here to the text, get rid of whatever you want to get rid of. Like this is too big, so I'm going to get rid of that. I am going to shrink the text a little bit, and I'm going to move this around. I'm going to center it where I want it. I'm going to look with a popular font that I like and that looks well on the that looks good. So that's nice and bold, easy to read. And then I am promoting my primary business, so I am going to add another line of text. Put that in there. You can do this for yours as well. Wow, that's friggin' huge. Yeah, let me not do that. And once I get that where I want, and as big as I want, And always choose a font that is easy to read. And now see that I'm not super duper excited about, because that kind of overshadows the quote. I want to be delivering value to folks, so I am going to fix this to a particular font that will perform better. And there it is. That's the one I like. That shows up much better. So as you can see, there's a little fiddle farting around with, that's technical marketing term, mind you, fiddle farting. A little fiddling around with the spacing and how easy it is to read. But there you go. So as you can see, in totality for an Instagram post, you see the nice colors, the brand colors, adding value with a business quote of some kind to give someone some value, and of course repping for whatever business you are part of and love. So there it is. And excuse me. So I'd like to thank you again for joining me here today, and congratulations on your newfound knowledge on how to use Chat GPT and Canva to create a month's worth of content in minutes. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on any of the socials, on the book, wherever you want, or even in the comments under this video, because I keep coming back around, see how people are liking stuff. So until we talk again, have a great day. Bye-bye.